For the quiz makeup, I'm going to have you listen and watch and then write down the work that I'm doing 3 times for each problem. That's if you want the 50 out of 50. That is up to you and your grade. So no matter what score you got to get a 50, you need to write down the work for these problems 3 times each. So here we go. I'm going to do numbers 1 and 2 where I'm solving a regular equation. Then I'll solve 3, 4, and 5 which are literal equations. So you can see for this problem, I distributed first. 4 times x is 4x, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And then I combine all my like terms. I combine my x's and my numbers on the left. That's the steps in blue. And then once I combine all my like terms, it became a variables on both sides equation where I started on the left by adding 6, went to the right, got rid of my x term, and went back to the left and divided by negative 2. So that answer is x equals 2 on to number 2. All right, on that first little equation where I'm solving for the variable y, first step, get rid of all terms that you can by adding or subtracting before you do any division or timesing. So that is the 5x term. I subtracted on both sides. Made sure not to combine 5x negative with 15. Those are unlike terms, so I just wrote them next to each other. My last step, dividing everything by 3 and doing the double split where that 3 divides into both the negative 5x and the 15 separate. The negative 5x over 3, I just left it, but the 15 over 3, I divided it out and got 5. So that is choice B. All right, on problem number 4, I'm solving for the variable x instead. So my first step before I do any division or timesing with that 2/3, I get rid of any plain old terms floating around. So that was the minus 4y. I added it to both sides. Made sure not to combine 2 and 4y. Next, the next step is to multiply everything by 3. Get rid of that dividing by 3 part. So multiplying by 3 on the left leaves me just 2x. On the right, I got to distribute that 3, which gives me 12y plus 6. My last step, dividing everything by 2 and doing the little double split. So 12y divided by 2 is 6y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that is the answer, x equals 6y plus 3. So in that last one, again, I'm solving for the variable x. I got rid of all the x or y terms around it, which was that minus 4y, added it to both sides. And then I multiply both sides by a, distributing a on the right, took away c. And then when I divide everything by 2, I did the triple split. So write these problems 3 times each if you want those 50 points, no matter what score you got. So good luck.